Guys, I'll be showing you all the animals on the farm today. They're all sleeping right now, so that's the best time to show you guys. You hear them already, King. That is their pond. We let them out in the mornings though, so they're fine. That is their eating, and that's where they lay eggs. All the goose, ducks, and everything. Okay, shh. Sorry, bye guys. Alright, you guys wanna see? That's what they drink water. They have two eating places to eat, and this is where they go out from. This is the big house they're inside of. Oh my, that's a lot of chickens. Okay, so they lay eggs in here, and all of those. We have about 60 or 50 chickens. Wait, let me show you guys. They're good. These are really cute chickens. Oh, where you going? He wants to run out through here. And there's a bunch of chicks in here. Hey, don't hit her. No. See, he's eating a little bad girl today. Look how cute that one is. Alright, I'll show you guys the turkeys next. Okay, the turkeys are in here. Let me open the door. We have like 20 or 30 turkeys. This one is pretty big, I guess. That's a guinea. Those are guineas back there, but that's a big turkey. This one, her name is Corella. And these are all turkeys. This is where they drink water. That's also another water. They're all asleep though. Poor thing. Oh, he's awake. Oh, look at all these. Alright, I'll let y'all have some sleep. Bye-bye. Next are the chicks and the pigeons. And quill. The quills are also in here. These are pigeons. These are all pigeons. In that first box, there's one laying with like hatching eggs. And those are little chicks back there. Little cute chicks. Bro, it's like 12 at night and they're drinking water. Ah, little kids, they're so cute. Let me try to catch one. If I can. That was so cute. Oh, please don't run out. Now I gotta poop on my fingers. Alright. I'm sorry, guys. Bye-bye. Next are the peacocks. The peacocks are in here. I think you kind of see them, right? I don't want to open this door because they're really scared. And they're pretty expensive. Like, if they get too scared, they might die. But they're in here. This is their water and food. So I don't want to just scare them. This is all of our stuff, guys. And this used to be a quail coop, but they would fight too much in here. So we moved them to here. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe. Bye.